Conversion tracking affect the performance of your advertisement on the internet. We are going to talk about that right in this video. My name is Oluwole. So we are going to talk about the 4 unavoidable ways conversion tracking affects ads performance. Whether you're advertising on Google, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, whatever you're advertising on the internet, conversion tracking affects the performance of your advertisement. And when you understand the crucial role of conversion tracking in digital advertising and how lack of tracking affect performances, you will be able to implement the right tracking that will help you get the best result from your advertisement on the internet. We're going to talk about that right now. So let's dive right in and you will be able to learn a lot of things. And I promise if you listen to everything I'll be talking about right in this training to the end, you will gain a lot of things and you'll be able to improve the performance of your advertisement on the internet, irrespective of the platform you are using. Before we go right into the first thing in this training, I need to introduce myself. My name is Oluwole, also known as Ojasweb. I'm a personal digital marketer with several years of experience and I've worked with people all over the world. I'm a research enthusiast and I love to use data to make informed decisions. I'm a certified Google advertising specialist and everyone here in Nigeria know that I'm a Google advertising specialist. So I'll be giving you insight and information based on my years of experience as a digital marketer who have worked with several people all across the world. So let's go to the agenda for today. Now I have 4 main agenda in this particular training. The first one, I'm going to walk you through the overview of conversion tracking. You will have the basic understanding of what conversion tracking is all about in digital advertising. We'll talk about how to track conversions and then we'll go straight and look at the ways conversion tracking affect the performance of your advertisement on the internet. And before I round up everything, I will make some recommendations that you can apply right now to help you get the best result from your online advertisement. So let's go ahead and see what we have next. So right now, I need to let you know what exactly is conversion tracking. Basically, when we talk about conversion tracking in digital marketing, what we are talking about is tracking actions that are very, very important to the success of our business. Let's say, for example, you have an e-commerce website and you want to start advertising the e-commerce website. What is much important for the success of the e-commerce website is sales. So when you are able to track every sales you get on the e-commerce website, you will be able to record the sales as conversion. So that is one of the things we refer to as conversion tracking in digital marketing. So now let's talk about the image you are seeing right on my screen. You can see the funnel right here and you see some images right on top of the funnel coming into the funnel. Now I'm going to explain that to you right now. Let's say you are advertising on Facebook and you are getting 10,000 people to your website every single day. What you might notice is that you will be getting less than maybe 1,000 conversions. In fact, that is too much. You might be getting just less than 20 conversions from the 10,000 people that are visiting your website every single day. Now, if you are not tracking the action, you will not be able to know the characteristic of the 20 people that are actually converting out of the 10,000 people that visit your website. Are they coming from Lagos, from Kano, from Kaduna, from Port Harcourt? Are they female or male? That is some of the things you need to know if you want to get the best result from your advertisement on the internet. Unfortunately, if you are not tracking conversion, you will not be able to know this. And that is why conversion tracking is very, very important. So we're going to talk more about it in subsequent section in this video. Now, how does conversion tracking help your business on the internet? Conversion helps marketers to know more about their customers. That is the simple truth. When you track conversions for your advertisement on the internet, you get to know more about your customers. Are they females? Are they coming from Lagos? Are they coming from Abuja? Are they using mobile phones? Are they browsing on Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge, etc., etc.? You get to know more about that when you are tracking action on your advertisement. So let's go to the next thing we have right in this video. So now I want to tell you the 4 major ways you can track conversions for your online business. The first one is by using conversion code. If you are advertising on Google, for example, you will have the opportunity of copying some codes from the Google Ads account to install on your website that can help you to track action on the website. So that is one of the ways you can track conversions on your website. And the second method is by using website analytics. There are many website analytics available on the internet. You can integrate any of the analytics tool to your website to be able to track the actions on your website. And if you are using Google Analytics, for example, you can integrate Google Analytics with Google Ads account, and you'll be able to use it to optimize the performance of your advertisement on Google. And the third one we have is you can use funnel tracking tools to track conversion on your website. There are many funnel tracking tools available on the internet. For example, you can use Microsoft Clarity or True Conversions to track actions on your website, and this can be very helpful when it comes to optimizing your campaign to get the best result on the internet. And the last one I have here is you can import on-fly conversions to your advertisement on the internet. Let's say, for example, you are advertising on Facebook and people are coming to your physical store to complete some action or to do some business with you. You can start reporting those actions in your Google Sheet, and then you can import them back to your Facebook account and use that to optimize the delivery of your advertisement on Facebook. So these are 4 ways you can implement conversion tracking on your website. So let's go to the next thing right in this slide. So I want to talk about how conversion tracking actually affect your online business, your online advertisement. So let's go to the first one. The first way conversion tracking affects your online advertisement is through blind targeting. This is absolutely true. We are not going to argue about this, and I'm going to explain exactly what this means. If you come to Google, for example, and you want to start advertising your business, if you don't have any conversion tracking in place, what you are doing is you are using assumptions to deliver your advertisement. And when you start running that advertisement, what you are doing is not very clear to you. You don't know what is working and what is not working. And when you use this method to advertise on the internet, you will not be able to optimize your advertisement efficiently and effectively. And this can result in you paying way more than you expected for the result you are looking for on the internet. So when you are advertising without conversion tracking, you are actually advertising with blind targeting. So that is the first way conversion tracking actually affects your advertisement on the internet. The second one is when you are advertising without conversion tracking, everything you are doing is uncertain. Your CPA will be very, very uncertain. You are just assuming that your advert is working, but that is not going to be based on the available data, because the best way you can know which CPA you should be using for your advertisement is when you have conversion tracking in place. Without a conversion tracking, cost per action, which is actually what CPA stands for, cannot be predictable. You cannot say you are expecting your CPA to be 20,000 naira, 10,000 naira when you don't have conversion tracking in place. The only way you will be able to predict your CPA is when you start tracking conversion. And that is why it is important for you to start tracking conversion for your online advertisement. You don't want to run your advertisement with uncertainty. Go ahead and implement conversion tracking so that you can be very certain what the CPA is, and you'll be able to get the desired result from your advertisement. Let's go to the next one. Now, when you start advertising on the internet, irrespective of which platform you are advertising your business, if you are not tracking conversion, you will definitely be getting low conversion volume, because the platform is expected to help you optimize your advertisement to get even much better result. But this is going to be possible when the platform have some data about your conversion. But if you are not feeding the platform with sufficient information, particularly the conversions, the platform, I'm referring to Facebook, Google, Twitter, or wherever you are advertising on the internet, they will not be able to optimize your advertisement to help you get more conversions from the advert. And that is another way the conversion tracking can affect your advertisement on the internet. It's going to reduce the volume of your conversion. And the last one I have on my screen is that you are not going to be able to scale your advertisement. Scaling your advertisement is for you to be able to get even higher result by putting in more money and some resources. But if you are not tracking conversion, what will be the metrics you want to be using to scale your advertisement? Obviously, you want to be pushing more money on the advertisement, but because you don't have any conversion tracking, the scaling will not be accurate. In fact, you will be spending more money and even getting lesser result from the advertisement. So this is why if you are advertising on any platform and you are not tracking conversion, you are likely going to be paying a lot for the action you are getting in that advertisement, and this is not going to be very good for your business. So I encourage you to set up conversion tracking before you go ahead and start advertising on any platform. I'm not talking about Google in this particular video. I'm referring to anywhere on the internet that you can advertise your business to get more customers. So now I'm going to give you some recommendations. I have 4 recommendations right on my screen. I have a lot more, but I'm going to talk about just 4 right in this video. And the first one is make sure you install conversion tracking code on your website. Whichever platform you are trying to advertise your business, you will be able to get a code and install it on your website. And if you don't know how to do that, you can go ahead and learn more about how to install tracking code on your website. That is the first recommendation I have for you right in this video. Now, the second recommendation is for you to link accounts appropriately. If you are advertising on Google, for example, and you have Google Analytics installed on your website, it is important for you to link your Google Analytics to your Google Ads account. This is not mandatory. However, if you are able to link your Google Analytics data with your Google Ads account, this can help you optimize your advertisement more efficiently. Let me use an example. Let's say you have an e-commerce website where people actually make purchases on the website, and you have your Google Analytics integrated to the website. Google Analytics 4 by default will be able to capture transaction data on your e-commerce website. Now, if you link that Google Analytics property to your Google Ads account, you will be able to import all the transaction data in your Google Analytics to the Google Ads account. And when you do that, you can use the data to optimize your advert and to get much better result from the advertisement on Google. So that is why it is important for you to link your account appropriately. So the third one is, it is important for you to review your conversion data. If you set up conversion tracking for your website and you are advertising, if you are not reviewing the data, you are not going to be able to make informed decision. The data alone will not do the work. You need to review the data and use the information to optimize your advertisement so that you can get the best result from the advertisement. So when you start tracking, it is important for you to occasionally or regularly review the data so that you can use the data to optimize your advertisement to get better result on the internet. So the last one I want to talk about, which is actually a very, very important recommendation, is for you to ask for help. You cannot do everything on your own. It is possible that you are very good at setting up the advert or creating the creative or even designing your sales page, your landing page, or your funnel. It might be very difficult for some people who are not tech savvy when it comes to integrating or installing conversion tracking on their website. So if you are in this category, don't hesitate to ask for help. Look for someone who knows how to do this and ask them to help you. You might have to pay for that. Obviously, it is worth it. So just make sure you get help if you know that you cannot implement tracking efficiently on your website. And when you get help from the right person, this is definitely going to be well worth it for your business. So these are the 4 main recommendations I have for you when it comes to conversion tracking on the internet. But before I go, I still have something very, very important I need to share with you, and I believe you will definitely love it. I am giving you access to my special package course on my website. You don't expect this right from the beginning of this video, and that is why I know you will definitely love it. I'm giving you access to my 3-in-1 video courses: Google Search Advertising Mastery, YouTube Advertising Mastery, and Display Advertising Mastery. And right now, I'm giving you access to that for a 48% discount. Yes, I created this link specifically for you because this link is not available on my website. So if you go ahead and click on this link and grab this particular course right now, you'll be able to save 48% discount. And this is 100% practical video with a lot of advanced strategies and tactics that will help you to get the best result from Google advertisement. You can use this for your affiliate product, for your e-commerce, for your software business, real estate, and so on and so forth. This offer will not be available for a very long time. So if you are watching this video right now, go ahead and type that link you're seeing at the bottom and visit the website and claim it and save 48% discount. This is what I have for you, and I believe it will be very, very worth your time, and then you will be able to use that knowledge in those training courses to improve the performance of your advertisement on Google. I hope this will help you don't hesitate to grab it right now. And thanks again for watching this video. And if you have any questions, you can go to my website at ojaswebacademy.com and ask your question in the forum sections. You have the link right on my screen. Then I'll be looking forward to hearing from you. Thanks again for watching, and bye for now.